Attending the class for the first time, huh? I'm seeing you for the first time in my class. Good morning, students. Good morning, children. Am I not audible?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Ma'am, I am fine. Ma'am, I am fine.
Good, good. Okay, so ready with your SST book?
Okay, ma'am.
Are you all ready? Doing chapter
Yes,
number?
ma'am.
Yes. We were doing chapter 14 question answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. On which question were we? Advika, which question we were doing? Till where have we done?
Ma'am, till question 3.
Question number 3. Short answers or long?
Ma'am, answer in detail.
Answer in detail. Okay, so we have done describe the vegetation of Uttarakhand. Describe the vegetation of Uttarakhand. We have done this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which chapter?
Okay. Beta, it is chapter number 14, the Northern Mountains. Now, in the last class, we were doing question answers of this chapter. And we have done till question number 3, answer in detail.
Ma'am, please tell chapters coming in UT2.
Okay, so we are having 3 chapters that would be coming in UT2, chapter 13, 14, and this thing, 12, 13, and 14.
Ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
ma'am, I have done chapter 13 till question number 3. I didn't done the chapter 14.
We have done which chapter? Chapter 13 we have done.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have not started chapter 14. I have not started chapter 14 in your class.
And we have to do question answers of chapter 14.
We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to do. Okay. Okay, children, now for your UT2, second UT, you know what is the syllabus? The syllabus is chapter 12, chapter 13, and chapter 14. India physical divisions, major rivers of India, and the northern mountains. What is the chapter name?
Good morning, ma'am.
The northern mountains. Yes, good morning, beta. So we are having these 3 chapters in UT2. We have completed chapter 12. For your UT2, the syllabus of SST is chapter 12, chapter 13, and chapter 14. We have completed chapter 12 and chapter 13 along with its question answers and all the exercises. We have done chapter number 14, only the reading part of the chapter. Today, we are going to start with the question answers of chapter 14. Ready, all of you? All of you, first of all, put your videos on. There are only 4 students I can see with their videos on. Now, everybody go and get your notebooks, SST notebooks if you don't have them. Fine? Everybody is ready with the notebooks? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now you have to write. We have done have we done these exercises? The workout, fill in the blanks with the correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
start with The exercise D, answer these questions in brief. Let us start. Everybody write question number 1 in your copies. Till you write question number 1 in your copies, I'm going to mark your attendance and I'll put present only for those whose videos are on. So there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students in the class present today. I can see only 7 videos on. Yes. Write question number 1, children. Till then,
Ma'am, can I see the answer of question number 1?
Wait, beta, wait. Let everybody write the question. Then we are going to discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now everybody mute yourself. Even I'll mute myself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, exercise C or exercise D?
Exercise D, beta. Exercise D. Question answers now that we do in copies. We have to do that.
Ma'am, question 1 is what are 3 ranges of the Himalayas?
Ma'am, can I answer it?
I'm sure all of you will be able to answer this easy question. Can you answer?
Yes.
What is the answer? Tell me.
The 3 ranges of Himalayas are Shivalik, Himachal and Himalaya.
Very good. Fahad, will you be able to write it, beta? You were not there when we did the chapter. Will you be able to write the answer, Fahad?
Ma'am, can I speak the question 2 and its answer?
No, beta. Let everybody write the answer first. Everybody has got a different speed now, so let's wait for everyone to finish.
Ma'am, I excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, say. Say, beta.
Ma'am, please tell the answer 1.
Ma'am,
Okay. Question number 1 is name what are the 3 ranges of the Himalayas? The 3 ranges of the Himalayas are the
Ma'am,
Himadri,
please.
the Himachal, and the Shivalik. All right, children, I'll type it in the chat box. Now, please check the answer. Check the answer from there.
Ma'am, my eye is not in the chat box.
ma'am, there was not a answer in chat.
Ma'am, the answer is not there in the chat box. Ma'am, the answer is not in the chat box.
Now check, it is there in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is there.
Who is the student with the name of Anu Arora? Put your video on and let me know your name. Everybody has written.
Ma'am, please tell me question 1.
Question 1 is, what are the three ranges?
I'm giving 2 minutes to write.
What are the three ranges of the Himalayas? Now the answer is in the chat box. Go to the chat box and see the answer. I have typed it there.
Ma'am, there is no answer in the chat.
You must have joined late, beta. I'll send it again. Now see, can you see it there?
Ma'am, I've done.
All of you now write question number 2. What does the word Himalayas mean?
Ma'am, we have to do any work now.
Who is asking this question?
Ma'am, I am late in the class, so please
So,
tell
yes,
any
you are
work we have to do.
yes, we are doing the question answers of chapter 14. Open your book to page number 94.
ना पापा कहाँ गए हैं? नानी?
Rishabh, put your mic on mute. So Nihit, question number 1 is, what are the three ranges of the Himalayas? Beta, can you see the answer in the chat box? Or there is no answer? Now children, have you written question number 2? What does the word Himalayas mean? The answer to this question is on page number 90. Open page number 90 of your book. And on the right hand side, you can see Factpedia, the blue block.
Ma'am,
Yes?
what is the first question?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, what is the first question?
The first, beta, see in your book, open your book. On page number 94, read out the first question.
The bird
Ma'am,
Himalayas,
please wait.
a bird of snow inside.
Yes.
Ma'am, please tell the answer to.
Answer 2 is on page number 90.
Ma'am,
Opened? Everybody has opened page number 90? Right hand
Yes,
side,
ma'am.
the blue block
Yes, ma'am.
Factpedia. Right hand side, the blue block Factpedia.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the word Himalayas means the abode of snow in
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
Yes. Write down. Everybody complete these 2 question answers and then we'll move further.
Ma'am, please send the answer of first question.
Ma'am, please send the answer of answer 2. Ma'am, what is answer 2?
Ma'am, what is the answer of question 1?
Children, I have sent answer number 1 once again in the chat box, and this is for the last time that I have sent this answer. Now I'm typing answer number 2.
Ma'am, what is answer number 3?
Who is asking answer number 3? Who is asking?
Ma'am, answer mein.
Beta, why do you want to rush? Can't we all go together? Can't we all move together in the class? Answer number 2 is also there in the chat box. Those who have done question number 1 and 2, write question number 3 in your copies and sit quiet. Wait for everyone.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very nice. Now patiently wait for all the children to finish it.
Ma'am, please wait for me. Ma'am, I have also written till question 3. Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, please send answer to.
I have already sent answer 2. It is in the chat box. Have you joined it late? Or were you disconnected?
Ma'am, I am disconnected.
Okay. Now, can you see the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can I answer the third question?
Yes, answer.
The three rivers that originate from Himalayas are the Ganga,
Ma'am, the Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. Ma'am,
The three rivers are the Ganga, the Yamuna, and either you can write Indus or you can write Brahmaputra.
ma'am, Brahmaputra also.
Ma'am, two is Ma'am Ganga, Yamuna, and
Ganga, Yamuna, and either you can write Indus or you can write Brahmaputra. The three rivers that rise in the Himalayas are the Ganga, the Yamuna, and the Brahmaputra.
Ma'am, I write Indus.
Ma'am, please send the answer number 3.
Better listen to answer number 3 carefully. They are asking, name the three rivers that originate in the Himalayas. Originate means that rise in the Himalayas. So, the three rivers that rise in the Himalayas are Brahmaputra, the Ganga, the Yamuna, and the Brahmaputra. Now, these small answers, children, you should try and write on your own. Don't be dependent, don't be a copycat. You should form these little answers on your own and write. Can you all write?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. The three rivers that rise in the Himalayas are the Ganga, the Yamuna, and the Brahmaputra. Have you all done all these three questions?
Yes,
No, ma'am, please.
Can I
No,
please answer 3?
give some time.
Wait, beta, I will type answer 3 for you, Srishti, in the chat box. Wait.
Ma'am, I'll send the answer 4 on the chat box. Please check.
Srishti, I have typed answer number 3 in the chat box. Now, children, the fourth question is, name 5 tourist destinations in the Himalayan region. Now, these tourist destinations are in different states. There are a variety of tourist destinations if we talk about the Himalayan states. So first of all, let's see which states did we study here. We studied Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, let's leave it. That comes under a union territory now. But it comes under Himalayan
Please
region.
tell me.
Beta, I have typed it in the chat box. I have typed it in the chat box. You can see the answer there, Srishti.
Ma'am, please tell answer 4.
That is what I'm telling. When they're
My
asking,
classes again and again.
Correct.
Srishti, your answer is in the chat box. The 3 major Himalayan rivers are the Indus.
Correct answer number 4.
Beta, Harsh, you have sent answer number 4, but you have sent it from Google, right? There are places I can read which are not in this chapter in the book. Now let me speak answer number 4. What all places have we studied here? We have studied Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, right? So let's take any 5 tourist destinations from these 2 states. Now, what are those tourist destinations?
Excuse me.
Shrishti, please don't disturb again and again while
Ma'am,
I'm speaking. You have to wait.
Manali, Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, and Rajasthan and Mussoorie from Uttarakhand.
Yes, very nice. So we have different destinations. Let's talk about from Himachal Pradesh. If we take, we can talk about Kullu, Manali, Dalhousie, Shimla. And if we talk about Uttarakhand, we have places like Nainital, Mussoorie, Ranikhet. So you can write any 5 places. Now, those who need the answer, who need to copy the answer, I'm typing for you in the chat box.
Ma'am, please tell the answer 4. Ma'am, please write the answer 4 in the chat box.
Rishabh, I'm typing beta. It takes time to type. Just be patient. Children, answer number 4 is in the chat box. See from there. And Shrishti, what were you asking? Now ask.
मैम 60 का मैम थर्ड क्वेश्चन मैम आंसर नहीं हो पाया मैम सेंड कर दीजिए मैम प्लीज मैम सृष्टि का थर्ड आंसर मैम नहीं हो पाया है सर मैम.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sending it. I'm typing in the chat box.
Okay मैम.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, Kullu Manali is in which state?
Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, please send me answer 3. Classes disconnect again and again.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, please send me
Srishti, I have sent the answer once again. Now do one thing from the chat box, take a screenshot and keep it saved with yourself. Beta, I can't type one answer for 5 times. This is for the 5th time I'm typing the answer for you. Just take a screenshot if you have some network issue. Children, if you face any network issue, then please start taking screenshots because it becomes very difficult. And for one child, the whole class has to wait for so long, which is just not justified. Now take a screenshot. I'm not sending any answer again. Let's move on to the next question.
And there are only 4 questions.
So beta, will we not do answer in detail? You don't want to do questions in detail, huh? Long
Can
answer
I
type.
answer the first question in the answer in detail?
Yes, everybody write question number 1 in your copies. Be ready.
Need 5 minutes are left.
Yes. Write question number 1. We are going to do only till question 1. Answer in detail today. The rest 3 we'll do in the next class.
Ma'am, shall I answer it?
No, beta, let everybody write. It's a very long answer.
Ma'am, please send me the 4th answer.
Ma'am, I have done.
Srishti, I have sent answer number 4. Take a screenshot, beta, and keep it safe with you. Now, question number 1, answer in detail is, what is the importance of Himalayan mountains?
Ma'am, can I answer it?
Yes, beta, answer it.
The Himalayas act as a natural barrier and prevent the cold winds blowing from Central Asia to enter India. The Himalayas stop the rain-bearing monsoon from going further north. The northern plains receive a good amount of rainfall.
Yes, very nice. So this answer I am typing in the chat box. All of you start writing. Begin the answer from the Himalayas Act. Point number 1. This answer will have 4 points. Write down point number 1. The Himalayas Act.
I'm done.
Ma'am, I was disconnect. Ma'am, I was disconnect.
No problem, Krishav. I'm typing the answer in the chat box, beta. You can write question number 1 question in your copy and I'm typing the answer. I'll send it. The first importance of Himalayas, the first point I have typed in the, I have sent in the chat box, children. See from there and start writing.
Ma'am, the class is over.
Okay. Now everybody take a screenshot of point number 1 and keep it safe with you so that you can write it after the class if the class gets over. The rest 3 points we are going to do in the next